morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Fine? Good. So all of you be ready and be attentive. Okay? Because today we are going to start a new topic. And the topic is adjectives, and at the same time we will also learn about kinds of adjectives. Okay, adjectives and its kinds. So here the first and the foremost we will learn about adjectives first. So can you tell me how many parts of speech are there? I have told you in the very, I think so 3 to 4 classes back. How many parts of speech are there? We have 8 parts of speech. We have 8 parts of speech. From those 8 parts of speech, we have learned about noun. Yes, we have already completed about noun. Yes. Then pronoun. Then adjective, then verb, then adverb, then preposition, conjunctions, interjections. Okay? How many parts of speech is there? 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, verb, interjections, conjunctions, prepositions. So these are the 8 different types of speech. From these 8 different types of speech, parts of speech, we have read about noun. So what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Yes or no? We have read about noun. So now I am giving a small brief on pronoun. Okay, what is pronoun and how it works, that one I am telling. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Noun, in the place of a noun, if you will use any word like he, she, it, they, them. Okay, instead of that noun, if you are using anything, then it is called they are called as pronouns. Okay, and here we are going to read about adjective. Adjective is called as, it is a describing word. It is a describing word. Okay, and adjective, as we call it as a describing word, it always describes or it tells more about noun and pronoun. What noun and pronoun are doing, how they are doing, what they are doing, this thing adjectives will tell you. Adjectives will always tell you about the noun and pronoun. Understood? So here, this is adjective. Adjective is a describing word and it describes noun and pronoun. Okay, like this only, as adjective is a describing word, adverb is also a describing word, or we can say it is a modifying word. But keep in mind that adverb always describes verb. Adverb always describes verb. And adjective always describes noun. Okay, adjective tells, it is a describing word or it tells more about a noun. Or we can say adjective add meaning to the noun. It adds meaning to tall girl. See here, Riya is a tall girl. So here, Riya is noun and Riya is noun and girl is also noun. Riya is proper noun, girl is common noun. Here, how is Riya? Riya is tall girl. Okay, so here the tall describes Riya, how Riya is. Okay, I have two pencils. Two pencils. How many pencils you are having? Two pencils. Here pencils and I both are noun. Yes. So here how many pencils I am having? I am having two pencils. How many pencils I am having? I am having two pencils. So here two is also adjective. Okay. See, here if I will say red balloons, heavy books. Here balloons and books are nouns. Balloons and books are nouns. Here red balloons, it shows the color of this balloon. It tells more about the balloon, though it is an adjective. Here, books. Books is an adjective. Books is a noun, and it tells how heavy, how the books are. They are heavy. So here it says that the heavy, red, too, tall. These all are adjectives. Yes or no? Because they are describing to noun or to pronoun. That's why they are called as adjectives. Clear? Now we will read about now we are going to read about our kinds of noun. Okay, now we will read about kinds of noun. Sorry, kinds of adjectives. Now we will read about kinds of adjectives. In total, we are having 6. We have 6 kinds of adjectives. How many kinds of adjectives? 6 kinds of adjectives. Okay? So what are the 6 kinds of adjectives? The first and the foremost is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Third one is adjective. Okay. Fifth one, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, then interrogative adjective, then possessive adjective. So, third one is interrogative adjective, then sixth one is your possessive adjective. Okay, so here these are the 6 different types of adjectives. These are the 6 different types of adjectives. As previously we have read that what adjectives you have seen: tall, red, heavy, then something we have read in the example. So we have read that those all are the adjectives. Yes or no? But how can we categorize these adjectives? What type of adjective it is? How can we find it? So these are the different types of adjectives. So the first, and so when we are finding out the adjective from any sentence, we have to put some questions. Okay, we have to put some questions. So when we are putting some questions, what type of questions we will put? First one is your adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality means if you will put a question of what kind. What kind? Here the question will be what kind. What kind of girl was Ria? She is a tall girl. Yes or no? Intelligent girl. So if you will put a question of what kind, okay, then you will get the answer of what kind. Whether she is tall, fat, thin, okay, or you can say it as heavy, rectangular, square. Okay, what kind of book it is. When you put a question, it tells you about the quality of the noun. That comes under your what kind. If you are putting a question, you are getting it, then it will be your adjective of quality. Exactly like when you are talking about exact adjective of quantity. For quantity, we put only one question: how much? What will put a question here? How much? Okay, when you put a question of how much, then it tells you the quantity. Okay, how much milk you take from the milkman? It asks you the quantity, whether it is half liter, whether it is 1 liter, how much you are taking. Okay. If your mother asks you to go and bring rice from any grocery store, so you will ask her how much rice I have to bring. Okay, so how much, whether it is a 2 kilo, whether it is 3 kilo, if it is 3, it comes under another category. Okay, so when you are asking about the quantity of anything, then it is called as how much question. If you put on the question, you get the quantity. Okay, and adjective of number. Adjective of number also how much you can put, how many you can put. Here you can put a question: how much or how many. How much or how many. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, several. Okay, so that tells you about the number. That tells you about the number. So here, demonstrative adjective. What do you mean by demonstrative adjective? Demonstration means to point out something. Okay, demonstration means to point out something, in demonstrative adjective, 4 words only will come. What are those 4 words? This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. These are the 4 words which comes under your demonstrative adjectives. We point out something. This is my book. That is my book. Those are the trees. These are the children. Okay. So now, just with small brief, I want to clear it. I have already explained you many times the use of this, that, these and those. And from the very beginning, from class 1, we are reading this. Okay. Again in this we are having a noun. We will find out here through noun. Now we have read about singular and plural. Yes or no? So as we have read about singular and plural, here we will apply. First is this. This means if any one thing is there and that is near to you, that is near you, okay, then we use this. If any one thing will be there and that is away from you, you are talking about one thing and that will be away from you, at that time we use the word that. This and that is used for singular. Okay? These and those. These, the same plural things, more than one and that are near you. Near you if something is there, many quantity are there, more than one if you are talking about plural and they are near to you, at that time we use the word these. Those, when plural only when you are talking about more than one thing and they are away from you. Okay? One thing near you, this. One thing away from you, that. Many things near you, these. Many things away from you, those. Okay? So these 4 words are called as demonstrative adjectives. These are called as demonstrative adjectives. Always remember, demonstrative adjectives means this, that, these, those. Clear? And how to use this? That one I have already explained you before. Now also I have explained you. Clear everyone? Now, next is your interrogative adjectives. We have read this in sentences also. Interrogative means asks questions. Okay, interrogative means asks questions. Interrogative sentences means the sentences which puts questions. Like all the WH words. What, when, where, how, whose, whom. If you put the question, whose, when, so, but it should describe a verb. It should describe an adjective. If suppose I will say, whose wet socks are these? Whose wet socks are these? Here you see, socks is the noun. How is the sock? It is wet. Yes, so it's a describing word. Now I am putting a question that whose wet socks are these? So here, whose will become your interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Clear? So this is all about interrogative adjective, and the next one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives means it belongs to someone. Belonging, as we can say, simply we can say it as a belonging. Belonging means mine, yours, theirs. Okay. When something it belongs to someone, any object it belongs to someone, at that time we use the word possessive. Okay, and these possessive adjectives, it should be an adjective. Clear? So these are the different types of adjectives. These are the 6 different types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. So these are the different types of adjectives. To make these adjectives more clear, let us see some video. Okay.
An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Let us read a few examples. I came out on the purple bag. He bought 1 dozen eggs yesterday. These pages are torn. In each of these examples, the adjectives purple, 1 dozen, and these qualify the nouns bag, eggs, and pages respectively. Do you know what kinds of adjectives these are? Let us go through the rules that will help us identify different types of adjectives.
See, here he is describing about 3 main types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, which indicates the specific quality of a noun. What type of noun it is? It tells you what quality noun. And the adjective of quantity or number. Quantity and number indicates the quantity or amount of a particular thing. Quantity and number, how much and how many. Okay. And the third one is demonstrative adjective, which indicates a specific person, which indicates a specific person or a thing. Demonstrative is which indicates or point out. Okay. To make it more clear, come.
An adjective of quality indicates the specific quality of a noun. For example, in this sentence, tall and thin are adjectives that describe some specific qualities or characteristics of the girl. Thus, tall and thin are qualitative adjectives. Similarly, the words adventurous and beautiful act as qualitative adjectives. A qualitative adjective specifies various qualities of a noun, such as color, shape, size, manner, and condition. For example, the qualitative adjective blue describes the color of the noun purse. Similarly, the qualitative adjectives huge and square describe the size and shape of the nouns chandelier and box.
See here, the first as we say quality. Quality means it indicates the quality of a noun such as color, shape, size, manner and condition. Okay, these are the things which comes under your quality. What are the things comes under your quality? Color, shape, size, manner and condition. Okay, for example, here we have the purse. It shows the color. Blue color purse. Yes. Here also you see a used umbrella hang in the dining room. Here for Sandria, he is saying that it is a used. Here she had kept the chocolates in a square box. Here square shape. It shows what is the shape of this box. So here color, then shape and size. Color, size and shape. It tells what type of quality the noun is. Okay?
An adjective of quality answers the question what kind or which. Here are a few examples. I love the fresh air at the beach. What kind of air? Fresh air. Veena has an electric guitar. What kind of guitar? Electric guitar. The final score clearly stated that Team A had won. Which score? The final score. Therefore, the words fresh, electric, and and final are qualifying adjectives. They answer the question what kind or which.
So here you see, as I have told you that we put a question to find out what kind of it is. So here we put for quality, we put a question of what kind or which. If you will put these two types of questions, then you will get the answer. Exactly same here you say, I love the fresh air at the room. What kind of air you love? You love the fresh air. What kind of guitar you are having? You are having an electric guitar. Which score says that they have won? The final score says that they have won. When we put a question like what kind and which, it tells about the quality. Okay?
An adjective of quantity or number indicates the quantity or amount of a particular thing. Let's look at a few examples. Apu has 5 oranges with him. Here, 5 is a quantitative adjective as it indicates the number of oranges. The words many and 2 liters also act as quantitative adjectives as they indicate the quantity or amount of the nouns they are qualifying. An adjective of quantity or number answers the question how much or how many. Here are a few examples. There were 3 pencils on the table. How many pencils? 3 pencils. Nusrat bought 2 kilos of rice from the grocery store. How much rice? 2 kilos of rice. Therefore, the words 3 and 2 kilograms act as quantitative adjectives. They answer the question how much or how many.
So here, this is all about the adjective of quality, quantity and adjective of number. So when you are going for adjective of quantity and number, we put only 2 questions. How much and how many. If we put these 2 questions of how much and how many, we get an adjective. That is called as adjective of quantity or number. As here you can see, how many pencils he is having? He is having 3 pencils. So here 3 is the number, adjective of number. Here you see, how much rice he is having? He is having 2 kilograms of rice. What it is a quantity. How much quantity he is having? He is having 2 kilograms. Okay. So for quantity and number, we put a question like how much and how many.
A demonstrative adjective indicates a specific person or a thing. It includes adjectives such as this, that, these, and those. Here are a few examples. This girl is a renowned singer. That machine costs a lot. These mangoes are rotten.
So here the demonstrative adjective, as I have told you that it indicates something or it points out something. So for here we are having this, that, these, those. Here we are pointing. This girl is a renowned singer. Particularly this girl. It's near to us. Yes? That machine cost a lot. This machine which is there. Okay, away from it costs a lot. These mangoes are rotten. Okay, here this, that, these are the demonstrative adjectives.
Demonstrative adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they qualify. For example, in these sentences, the demonstrative adjectives, those and these, are placed before the nouns, boards and ideas.
Got it? The demonstrative adjectives are usually placed before the noun that qualifies. The noun which we are talking about, before that noun only you will get these demonstrative adjectives. Clear?
Let us summarize the main points covered in this topic. An adjective of quality indicates the specific quality of a noun. An adjective of quantity or number indicates the quantity or amount of a particular thing. A demonstrative adjective
an adjective of quality indicates the specific quality of a noun. What type of quality the noun is having, about that they want to talk. The adjective of quantity or number indicates the quantity or amount of particular thing. Okay, amount, what amount or how much we are talking about, that speaks about our adjective. And demonstrative adjective indicates a specific person or a thing. When they speak about particularly for some person or thing. Okay, interrogative and possessive. Interrogative that asks through a question. Okay, and possessive it belongings. Okay, so this is all about the kinds. We have 6 different kinds of adjectives, but that kinds we will be reading in different classes. Okay, so whatever the kinds is there in your book, we will go through with those kinds. Clear? So I hope so that you all are clear with your adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Yes? Now try to do your own exercise by using these formulas or by using this rules. In the next class, we will solve our exercises. We will discuss. Okay? And if you people are having any doubt, you can clear it. Okay? Thank you everyone. Bye. See you.